In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure VAT settings in your organization using Zoho books, specifically tailored for users in the UAE. This is an essential step for ensuring your financial records align with local tax regulations, and it's simpler than you might think. Whether you're handling this for the first time or just need a refresher, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books website. If you're unfamiliar with Zoho Books, it's a widely used accounting software that helps businesses automate their financial operations with ease. Once you're on the website, look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If this is your first time logging in, you might be prompted to complete a security verification step, which is standard practice for safeguarding your account. Once successfully logged in, you'll land on the Zoho Books homepage. This is your central hub for accessing various accounting functionalities, including all your financial dashboards, transaction records, and analytical tools. From here, locate the dashboard option, which is typically found in the main navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to your organization's dashboard, where you can get an overview of your financial summary. Now it's time to head to the settings section. To do this, simply click on settings, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This area allows you to customize and fine-tune different features according to your organizational requirements. Among the settings categories, you'll find taxes and compliance. Click on this option to proceed, as it contains everything you need to manage tax specifics within Zoho Books. Within the taxes and compliance menu, there is a section labeled Tax Settings. Click on that to access the detailed tax configuration page. This page is where you'll define your VAT settings. The UAE has specific requirements for VAT compliance, so it's important to ensure all information entered here reflects the latest regulatory standards. When you click on tax settings, you can create or adjust existing tax rates. Take your time to review the options available and make sure each entry corresponds to the applicable rates and codes for your business transactions. Accurate configuration at this step is crucial for generating precise financial reports and tax filings later on. As we conclude, remember that configuring these VAT settings not only helps with compliance, but also optimizes your organization's financial management processes. Regularly reviewing and updating these settings can prevent audit issues and ensure that your accounting data is consistently accurate. That's it for today's guide on configuring VAT settings in Zoho Books for your UAE-based organization. With these clear steps and thoughtful consideration of compliance requirements, you'll be well prepared to manage your organization's tax obligations more effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay informed with the latest updates in tax regulations to keep your business on the right track.